up, everyone? Welcome back to Valvetronic. Behind me, a Supra with no top. We've got the new Z4 behind us. I say Z4 because I've watched way too much Top Gear in my day, and it's definitely Z over Z. The car has our Z4 exhaust system. It's an adapted system from the A90 Supras. Obviously, the cars share a very similar platform, but the exhaust is indeed quite different. In the rear section around the differential, there's a lot of different angles we have to work with, but we're very excited to bring this exhaust setup to the market. Car has a Jesse downpipe, so no check engine light right now, and really sounds fantastic. Of course, you guys know the ropes. Startup, revs, flybys, corner accelerations. We're gonna roll the top down and enjoy some interior clips. GoPro on the rear bumper. Let's get to it. Oh yeah. All right, people, we are inside the Z4 P58. It's really funny. I've always wondered what a convertible Supra would be like, because you get a lot of drama and sound behind you, which is always fun. It's one of the reasons why I actually really like an E93 M3 convertible. It's so fun because you get all the noise behind you, but this is very fast, but sounds really good with all the noise behind you. Of course, though, Valvetronic theme, put ourselves in comfort. It's so quiet in here, just like the car would be bone stock. You want to bring this to the racetrack and have a blast, you can. Really enjoy the sound, and then close the exhaust, come home at 2 in the morning. Never know the car's modified, but it's a beautiful day. Very nice sound change. It's like Revs. Let's go no pops. Wow, the throttle response is so delayed. Okay, ready? I'm gonna put it back in sport.
Yeah.
Yo, that's crazy. So this is comfort. Turbo builds real slowly, but in Sport Plus. Bye.